You're a jet-set man, and I want to start with the fact that you have scaled. You've got headquarters in Berlin, you've got them in San Francisco. How is the US business going?
So it's going really well. So if you look at our business, we started in the UK in 2010 and we launched in the US in 2013. We've been really pleased with the progress, and actually around 30% of our business globally now is actually comes from overseas markets, so not from the UK, and those are growing at a much faster rate than the UK. So we've been really pleased with the progress today, and we subsequently entered actually Germany and the Netherlands as well, so we'd like to keep adding more and more international markets over time.
So that's Europe done. You've got US on the agenda. What about Asia? Would you look to move further abroad, because the Revolut's eyeing up Asia?
Well, I mean, I think we're not quite done with Europe yet. I think we're in 3 markets. As you know, there are many more that we'd like to go to. But what we found with our business model is it does work regardless of the market. We want Funding Circle to be the first choice for small businesses globally, wherever they are when they want to access finance to expand and grow. And so, I think we've got a little bit more work to do in Europe before we start looking to other markets.
How has, of course, the ever-ongoing Brexit debate affected you? Has it affected lending on Funding Circle? Has it affected the investor base or the businesses looking for small loans, or has it not as yet?
So obviously when Brexit happened, we were concerned, to put it mildly. It was a big dislocation event. We didn't really know how people would react. What we came out and said to our small business customers in the wider market was like, we're very much open for business. We started Funding Circle at just after one of the biggest financial crises there were, because we felt there needed to be an alternative way of getting money to small businesses. And actually what we've seen since Brexit is businesses boomed. So Funding Circle originated record amounts of loans. Actually, in the first 6 months of the year, Funding Circle did nearly as much net new lending in the UK as the entire banking system combined. So what you're starting to see, I think, is even in times of stress, actually this model can really provide a viable alternative. So far from being the kind of event that we were worried about, it actually provided a great opportunity for the business.